If you sub a class for another teacher, you can get to the charting by going through Genius and clicking on the student's name. Scroll down and click Charting, and then select your class from the drop-down menu and click Get Data. Now you can put in your Genius charting just like you normally would. The only difference is that this is a class that you have subbed for. If you are a teacher that has had a class subbed for them and you want to go into your files and just put in everything that you need for that session, then you do everything like you normally would and title it like you would, but you just want to also in the title somewhere put in that it was subbed by somebody else, and you just put that other teacher's initials. And that's it.